Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Vice President, respected Principal, respected teachers, respected staffs of the Administration Department, and my dear fellow students. Like every year, we have gathered here on the 15th of August to celebrate our independence that we achieved many years ago in 1947. I am greatly honored to have got the privilege of welcoming you all to this auspicious occasion. While we all are aware how we have achieved our independence, there are very few who know about our country, the real India. I have been given this big responsibility to welcome you all and deliver few lines about our great country. India is the 7th largest in terms of area and 2nd most populous country in the world. It is situated in South Asia and was publicly confirmed as Republic of India after its freedom from the British Raj.
India is amongst the prominent countries of the world, and every Indian should know about its history, culture, struggle, religious importance, and several other important aspects. Geographically, it is the land of conventions in several ways. It provides all types of climate, from extreme cold to extreme heat throughout the year. The hilly areas in the north and other northern parts are equally cold as some parts of Europe. South region in India is highly hot and west is extremely humid. The country is rich in cultural heritage and is a repository of diverse cultures. Indian civilization has stretched over to 5,000 years and provides the most exclusive facet in the form of unity in diversity. India believes in secularism and everyone here is allowed to follow self-religious belief. Different religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Jainism, Christianity and Sikhism are practiced here. There are 22 officially recognized languages spoken and various dialects followed here. Diversity can be noticed not just in regard to language, religious belief, racial compositions, etc., but also in prototype of living, occupational quest, lifestyles, legacy, inheritance and progression of practices and rituals relevant to birth, marriage, etc. India has witnessed sharp economic and social differences over past several years, yet the national unity and uprightness have been maintained. It is this blend which has transformed India into an exclusive assortment of cultures. India has also acclaimed vast recognition in the field of education, music, dance, instruments, arts, drama, theatres, etc. This not only makes India rich in heritage and culture, but also opens up the scope and opportunity for employment and learning. In fact, several foreigners come to India to pursue higher studies or find job opportunities for themselves. Extremely famous for its historical monuments, caves, mountains and hills, etc., India is considered as a tourist hub too. People from across the world visit India to explore the country and spend their holidays. While rich culture is the highlight of the country, India is also quite self-sufficient in military forces, science and technology. The country is a unique blend of modernity as well as tradition, and it is our duty and responsibility to preserve the culture and beauty of our country and bring fame to it by our deeds.